guys, what's up? It's Kristen. It's been a couple weeks since I've been on YouTube and to do a Stitch Fix unboxing. Today I have it. It came today. I'm super excited. So if you guys don't know about Stitch Fix, click on my referral link below. You'll get $25 and I'll get $25 so I can keep doing these type of videos. I do all types of unboxing videos. I have a Nadine West coming. I do mix and match, trunk club. So any other ones you want me to do, please comment below and I'll do my best to try to get those boxes and unbox them on here for you guys. So if you like these kind of videos, stay tuned. Okay, so in the box you will get, I bought an extra. Well, I'm trying an extra. We'll see if this works, but I'm not going to try this on camera. I'll show you what it is. And then I have my bundle. So it looks like red, is that some navy, some like orange, some burgundy, and a sweater it looks like. So that's super exciting. So in the box you get that as well as your price sheet. Let's get that out. And your style card. So let's see if I get the correct style card. And I do have Nikki. And you get your return label bag. So to ship back anything that you don't want. So this says your style delivered. Your 35 fix is here, Kristen. Wow, 35. That's a lot. I hope the fall season has been treating you well so far. Since you requested the 41 Hawthorne Brianna long sleeve knit cardigan, I sent it in a navy for you to try. I also sent the off-white absolutely cardigan that is very similar in styles to the Skies Are Blue Oli that one you pinned on Pinterest recently. You've also pinned several tie front tops, so I sent the West Kai one in burgundy that can easily transition you from work to weekend weather. These 151 skinny pants will be a fun addition to your fall winter wardrobe and can be worn for work or play as well. To finish, I sent the cute, comfy pink clover brush knit top for you to wear casually with jeans this fall. Don't forget to let us know what you're lusting for this season. Enjoy, XOXO Nikki. So here is the style card and it has the items on it. And so let's get into the bundle. Excuse me, I have like a frog in my throat today. I'm not sure why. So this is extra comfort, extra support, extra nice. And this is Stitch Fix. I don't know if you can see that. And then inside was a bralette that I had ordered because like it was impossible for me to find one of these. So this is really cute. It's kind of like an off-white bralette and it's Free People and it's the gallon lace racerback bralette in off-white in a size medium. So there you go. So I'll try that on off camera and let you guys know what I think, if I'm keeping it or not. Okay, let's get into the bundle. Super exciting. Okay, let's push that on the ground. So the first item here, oh, this is really soft. This is a cardigan. It looks like it's like an off-white color and kind of like a gray and white. And then on the sleeves, it goes from gray to like a cream color. And it does the same thing at the bottom. So that's really cute. And this is absolutely Ashland cardigan, off-white in a size extra small. And let's get the price for you. Here's the tag so you guys can see. And this is $44. So that's nice. I really like that. Put that off to the side. Next to the pants that she was talking about, these feel like great quality. Okay, these are 151 Original Premier Ponte, size 0. And they have the tag on the front as well. They're burgundy pants. It looks like they have a little button here. They feel like really high quality, kind of heavy. They have pockets on the back. They look like a skinny. They're very stretchy. So we'll see how I like these. The zipper is this is kind of like a dress pant. So this is the 151 Jody Ponte skinny pant in burgundy, and it's a size 0. And these are $44. So they're cute. They're really high quality, really heavy. Nice for fall and winter. Okay. Next, this top is really soft. In the picture, it didn't look like soft. It looked like t-shirt material. So here it is. It looks like cream sleeves. And then on the sleeves here, it has the same design that's on the front of the shirt. It's kind of like a baseball tee, but it feels like it's very good quality and really soft. It's really cute. I like it. So this is the Pink Clover Nora brush knit top, and this is size extra small, and it's $38. So that's nice. And I'll have on the sides here all the pictures of the items and the names and the prices that you get from your Stitch Fix when you check out. So the next here looks like a navy blue cardigan. Coincidence, I'm wearing one, but mine's like a sweater material. Okay, so this is a thinner material. It's really nice. I don't have it in a thin one like this. I only have the sweater material. So it's quite nice. It looks like it falls really nice in the front. I like the straight. I don't like the droopy fronts for cardigans. So this one here is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Abriana long sleeve knit cardigan in navy and a size extra small. And then let's see how much it is. And it's $38. Okay, and then last but not least is this top that she was speaking about, the tie front. It's really cute. Something nice for work. So it looks like a burgundy color, and it has a tie in the front. It's really cute. And then the sleeves kind of are like a balloon sleeve almost, kind of. So, Stanley, hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my dog is barking because he's hungry. So this top is really cute. I like how it has the tie in the front. It's kind of lightweight, really cute. It is West Key Zila tie front blouse in burgundy in size extra small. Other dog just came in. And that's $44. So let me let you know. So the total for the box was $208. With the buy all 5 discount of 25%, it's $52. Then my $20 extra, which I'm not sure if I'm going to keep, brings it to $176. So it's not a bad box. It'd be $156 if I didn't keep the bralette. So it's not actually really bad at all for all this stuff. So I'm going to try everything on and let you know what you think. And then I'm going to come back with my final thoughts. So keep watching. Okay, so here's the first item. It's the navy cardigan. It's really cute. It fits flat right here, if you could see that. And there's no droops. It kind of goes down a little bit here. And it fits really nice in the back. The color's really nice. It's not too tight in the arms. It's really cozy. So I really like this a lot. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay, so here's the next item. It's the cardigan. It's cute. Hold on, let me bring the light up so you guys can see a little bit better. It's kind of dark in here. Maybe flip on this light. Hold on one second. Yeah, it's a little bit better. So here's the other cardigan. It's nice, it's cute, but I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. It'd be cute with a pair of booties. I don't know. Here's the material. It's not like super soft, but I mean, it's comfortable. It's good for fall. Here's the different colors. See, the pattern is different here than on here, and the pattern is the same here and here. So, then you see the line at the back. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay guys, so next is the top. It's really cute. The sleeves are really nice. They are stretchy. It looks better in person than it does on here. It's very lightweight. I like the tie in the front. It's really cute. It fits really nice. It's kind of like a high-low. It's definitely something I can wear from work. It's like a burgundy wine. On the screen, it's coming up red. It's not red. It's really pretty, and the color's really nice. So I'm gonna do a turn for you guys. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this, because I really, really do like this. I like the tie front tops. Okay, next is this really cute top that I have. It's super soft in the camera. I wonder if you could see the material. It's kind of like a fleece, super soft. I like the color. It's kind of like a burnt orange. Great for fall. I really like it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is really cute. I have a really cute pair of wedges that would look really awesome with this. I don't know. Let me know. Okay guys, so next is the burgundy pants that they had sent. They're really big right here. They sag. I mean, they're cute. They're picking up a lot of the lint. They're not something that I would typically go for. But I need to make a decision. I don't know. The box is really cheap, but the thing is, I need to see if like I can wear all this stuff. I mean, I can. The burgundy pants are really cute, but I don't know. I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts and let you guys know what I think. All right, guys, so I tried everything on. I really like everything. The only thing I don't really care for is these burgundy pants here. But otherwise I like everything. I mean, I'll go through it. So a lot of my fixes have been really dark colors lately. I know it's fall, but I mean, I still like brighter colors. So these are the burgundy pants. They're really cute. They're high-waisted. The only thing is they collect a lot of lint, but the fix is so cheap that, I mean, they're so heavy that they're good for winter because they're going to keep me warm when it's cold. Those would have been better if they were jeans instead. This blue cardigan is really cute. I totally would wear it. I have this one. It's a sweater and I love it a lot. So I know I would definitely get use out of this, but do I need another one? I don't know. The bralette fits. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. It's kind of like on the maybe pile. This top here is really cute. I like it. So it's really soft. It's longer. I love longer tops. I wouldn't usually tend to go to this, but I really like the colors for Halloween and like fall. And I have a really cute pair of wedges that would look really cute with this, with the jeans that I'm currently wearing. So we'll see. I'm not sure. It's in the maybe pile. And last but not least is this. This is cute. It didn't really wow me, but like I said, the box is so cheap that I don't know what to keep. I mean, I like everything a lot, so I'm gonna need your guys' help. So please like this video. Thanks for subscribing. If you're new here, welcome. So please let me know. I need your guys' help on what to do here. The total for the box, including the bralette, is $176. So that's actually a really good deal. But there's a couple things in here I'm like, eh. But if I buy one thing, it's $38. If I buy one shirt, it's $44. So I have to do some math and see what I decide to keep. But please let me know your comments down below. They're much appreciated. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.